Welcome to today's video. I am Jerry Kabiru. Yes, Jerry Wakafiro. You're so much welcome. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much. Just this month of April, we've had 105 subscribers. Yes, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. You're such awesome. You're a blessing. So you remember the last video. If you didn't watch the last video, you got to go and watch it. We took an old t-shirt, now it's already in pieces, and we used it to decorate a certain bottle. You've got to go back and watch. So we are continuing in the same t-shirt. I've already cut it into small thread. So you know when you're starting, okay, fast, calm down Jerry, let me tell you, when you're starting your to learn how to decorate, you don't need the perfection Uzi like this one, the perfect Uzi. What you need is like materials for you to practice, because practice you become the best, you know. So this is an idea for a startup. You can start with such, and since we are still indoors, some of us don't have a job, some of us have half salaries, some of us are not earning at all. You know, you can create your own materials and learn how to create bottles. Now I'm going to go into that very shortly, but I want to thank a few of you. Like this week was a crazy week for me, emotionally, mentally. It was one of the weeks that you come from being up there to down there. And I remember waking up to a text message from someone who said the video that I did of why I started the YouTube channel was so encouraging to her. We even got to talk on the phone. She was like, that kept me going, and with that I really appreciate. Apart from that, a few people have been encouraging me, like telling me the videos are good, the videos are entertaining, they are learning something, great content. I thank you so much. It is because of that I have the energy to sit here and do another video. So if you're watching, please would you leave a comment, tell me what is impacting your life, because this video was not just for entertainment, it was to impact people's life. So let me know what you think about my content down below. Some are contacting me telling me they don't know where to comment. You see my video, and then down there'll be suggested video. Go below the suggested video. At the end of it, you'll see comment. Leave a comment down below there. If you don't want to comment, leave a thumbs up. It will encourage me for the next video. Thank you so much. And by the way, if you haven't seen the tire table video, you've got to go and see it. It's almost hitting 1,000 views, which is miracle to me. So thank you so much. So let's get to today's video. I have 3 bottles, but I'm gonna work on 2 bottles. Today we are doing 2 videos, killing one bird with 2 stones. So we are having bottle number 1. This bottle, I have an intention of just painting it, and guess what, we're going to use acrylic paint. Then after that we're gonna put a light inside. You will see a light inside and light it up. Then the second bottle is this, my favorite bottles. This company makes the best bottles. They are quite heavy, you know, they're good, they're not light. So this bottle is what we are going to use this to thread it. So come with me, and then see you at the end of this video. Thank you. By the way, if you're just passing by, subscribe, then we get to this video. See you at the end. So there is our empty bottle. I took acrylic paint and started painting. Acrylic paint is not for painting bottles. It takes a bit longer to dry. It's for painting canvas, but what up, we can try this. So I started painting without a plan, and that's how life is. We plan our own plan, but life has its own course and its own way of bringing out stuff. So I like painting for me because it's therapeutic. It just makes my soul understand the deepest part of my inner being. So you should try this, and if you don't feel it, it's okay. So anyway, when I was painting this, I thought about life and how messy it is, and how so many opportunities come our way and we are all mixed up and we don't know who we are. Then I started brushing it over, and what I thought is like how we can turn our past and our present you know, into a wonderful thing, like more wisdom between the past and the present, and it comes out very nice. So next I put up the fairy light. You can find fairy lights around Kenya. They're a bit expensive here in Kenya, but you can still find them. And in the darkest moment, what lights your path? That's what I thought about the part, ending part. So I took bottle number 2, I painted it again, but guess what, this time I did not brush it over. I left a lot of space because I felt like the other one was a bit darker, so I decided to leave a lot of space so that the light can shine a bit more. And how life gives us opportunity every day to do it all over again. You know, the messes of yesterday becomes something beautiful, and we are a bit wiser now. So at the end, there we have with the light. It looks beautiful. And again, pose a question to your life: what lights your path in the darkest moment? You know, when things are thick, when things are hard, what lights your path? And sometimes it's light and then it becomes a bit more darker, yes, and what is in you is what shines out. So Jesus is in me, what is in you? Bottle number 3 we go. I know this bottle, I forgot to hit the record button, pole sana, but I took silicone, threaded the t-shirt pieces that I had cut like thread into on the bottle, and then on the bottom I painted it. For real, I mean, I'm feeling like just painting and painting all over again. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming to the end of this video. Now, I beg your pardon. I made the first bottle, and then that painting just got me excited. I went to the second bottle. Then I told you we're going to thread the bottle using a t-shirt. So I have threaded. And then once I figured at the end of the video, I realized I never hit record button. So here it is. I think it's super cool. I've decided to do it half thread, half painting because it's rustic. I think if you're starting to learn how to decorate bottle, you should try this. You should try this. If you don't have the painting, go all the way and then voila, you'll have it. So I have explained how I did it, so I'm very sorry for that, for all this, but I hope you really enjoyed the first bottles. And that light, it's called fairy light. I know you can search it online and find it. I know there are people who are selling it. I've seen it in different groups. You can go and find it. So I want to thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I can't wait for the next video. Please, I would really ask you to turn on the notification button once you subscribe, because the notification button notifies you whenever I put up a video. Then you don't have to come and ask me, what video are you talking about, or you did something I did not see. Turn on the bell, then you get to see whenever I put up a video. So until the next video, I'm gonna tell you thank you so much. Do not forget to leave a comment down below, and bye bye. Have a good morning. It's night for me, so have a good morning. Thank you. Bye bye. I'm gonna miss you. I'm really gonna miss you, but bye.